Welcome back to MVP Autos, your go-to source for everything fast, futuristic, and fiercely designed. If it's turning heads or breaking records, we're talking about it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the hottest rides and the latest automotive tech. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Ferrari Monza, a name that already carries legendary weight, but now reimagined for a new era. This isn't just a car. It's a statement. A machine that balances heritage and innovation with surgical precision. And Ferrari? Well, they've outdone themselves again. The 2026 Monza builds on the success of the Icona series, particularly the SP1 and SP2, but this time Ferrari has brought more than just a styling exercise to the table. The Monza is now fully road legal in more regions, with updated tech, safety, and yes, electrification. But don't worry, purists. This isn't a silent spaceship. This is still very much a Ferrari. Under the hood, you'll find a reworked version of the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, paired with a next-generation hybrid assist system borrowed and refined from the SF90 Straydale. The result? A mind-bending 860 horsepower, with instant torque delivery and that signature Ferrari howl that'll raise the hair on your neck. 0 to 60? 2.5 seconds. Top speed? North of 220 miles per hour. But it's not just about speed, it's about sensation. Ferrari has engineered the Monza to be as raw and connected as its original 1950s inspiration. It's a car that rewards the skilled driver, not one that does the work for you. Design-wise, Ferrari hasn't strayed far from the original Monza SP1/SP2 aesthetic, and that's a good thing. The 2026 version carries forward that elegant Barchetta silhouette, but now with more aggressive aero, thinner matrix LED lighting, and active aerodynamic elements that respond in real time. It's as much sculpture as it is vehicle. One of the most striking features? It still has no windshield, at least in the SP1 configuration. Ferrari's patented virtual windshield technology has been further refined, redirecting airflow over the driver's head, keeping you planted without compromising that open-air thrill. For those who want to share the experience, the SP2 variant returns with dual seating, and new this year, a removable windshield option. Inside, it's pure function meets tailored luxury. Minimalist, but not bare. You get Alcantara everything, carbon fiber everywhere, and a redesigned digital cluster that stays true to Ferrari's analog feel. There's no massive touchscreen. No bloat. Just exactly what you need, and nothing more. Of course, exclusivity plays a big role here. Ferrari is only producing 499 units worldwide, and let's just say they're not sitting on showroom floors. If your name wasn't already on the list, you're likely out of luck. And with a rumored price tag north of $2 million, this car is as much an investment as it is a thrill machine. The Monza is F.